Access to tasks in planfix is delimited by roles, each of which has its own access. Let's take a look at all the roles and their capabilities. Let's click to create a task. The first role is assignee. This is the author of the task. Assignee creates a task, can edit and delete it, can view and add actions, comments, change task status, change assignees and dates. The next role is the assignee. This is a person who works directly on the task. Can be one person or a group of people, for example the sales department. They will have access to the task, they will be able to add actions to it and change its status. New employees added to this group will also have access to the task. The next role is the participant. This role gives access to the task to a person who is not its assignee, not responsible for its execution. The participant cannot edit or delete the task, change its status and dates. Usually this role is used for communicating with a client, to show him the progress of work or to get a comment on a task. It's also possible to include colleagues into participants to get comments or advice while working on a task. The next role is the auditor. This is the administrator at the task level. He can change task terms, edit any parameters and delete tasks. Auditor sees all actions on the task. There can be several auditors in a task. The next role is the supervisor. The supervisors of the assigner, assignee or participant automatically get access to the task. Their rights in the task are the same as those of their subordinates. Let's see how to add a supervisor for a group of employees. Go to the employees, then go to the company structure, and then we click Assign Supervisor. Let's go back to the tasks and see where we can see the roles by task. We can see the roles when we create a task, when we edit a task, and when we click on the permissions button.